Since email marketing has helped my clients make more money from their online businesses, I decided to create an 100% free email marketing course. If you are an online business owner committed in the long run, and no matter if you are an influencer, digital marketer, coach, affiliate marketer, selling your own or other people's digital or physical products or services, my 100% free email marketing course can help you make more money without spending much more time working on your online business but just composing some email. As a first step, you are going to create a page as those pages you have seen online business owners use to gather your own email address. The second step is to stay focused on the long run to your online business and gather more and more email addresses. After, you are going to create emails containing links with shop now buttons for your products or services, and of course discount coupon codes which people love. Then you send emails to those people. You make money from people who decide to buy your products or services. So what are you waiting for? Simply click the link down in the description of this video, enter your email address and instantly access my 100% free email marketing course, where I show you step by step how you can set up on your own a profitable email marketing system.